Want to track your daily cash flow? Let's build a simple cash book in 60 seconds. First, I'll have my date, then I'll have the description. Next, I'll have cash in. Next, I'll have cash out, and then my balance. So these are going to be the 5 important columns for the cash book table. So I'll just try to highlight this. So now I can just try to enter the transactions. So let's say 25th August 2025, and I can just have the description as it's going to be like Amazon sales. So since the sales is going to be like a cash in, so we're going to get the cash in. So I'll have this as like $2,300, and then the balance is nothing but it's going to be equal to whatever is going to be my cash in minus cash out. So that's going to be the balance formula. So all these are going to be completely in the US dollars. So I'll just format this. So next, let me try to go and say on 26th August 2025, let's say there's going to be a transaction. So where I'm going to like buy the material. So here it's going to be a cash out. So I'll say $1,200. So here the formula is nothing but it's going to be, so whatever is going to be the balance plus my cash in subtracted by the cash out. So that's going to be the formula. So here I have, so what is going to be my balance? So I can just try to fill this formula completely for the entirely for the balance column over here. So with the help of this cash book, you can able to track all your like transactions, like your income and expenses easily. So if you wish to use the bookkeeping template, I have given the link in the first comment. Please do check it out. And also subscribe for more spreadsheet hacks.